Whenever I call, he always is right there. In times of trouble, he is my help. Yeah, I know no fear. I know he'll be right there. Hey, he really does what he says he will do. My God really moves. Oh, hey, why would I doubt when he always comes through? My God really moves. Oh, he really, really moves. Oh, come on, sing the verse, y'all. I know he loves me. I know he cares. Whenever, when I'm in trouble, he is my help. Come on, we say, he really does what he says he will do. Oh, hey, oh, hey, he really does what he says he will do. Oh, yeah, he really, really moves on. He really comes through for me, oh, every time, on time, every time. Come on, this your part. Come on, listen. Omemma, you're always on time. You can't do no wrong. Omemma, come on. You leave the 99, always for the one. Omemma, you're the God who does good always. You can't do no wrong. Omemma, yeah, Baba, Baba, leave the 99. Come on, Omemma, you're always on time. You can't do no Omemma, you leave. You got one more here, come on. Omemma, you're always on time. You can't do no So glad you leave the 99, always for the one. So glad you leave the 99. Oh, I remember when you came and saved me. I'm glad you leave the 99. Hey, always for the one. I remember when you came and grabbed me. So glad you leave. Hey, always for the one. I remember the day you came and saved me from my sin. I'm glad you leave. Always for the one. All the overwhelming, never-ending love of God to me. Always for the one. All the overwhelming, never-ending love of God to me. Always I'm a living example. He will, he will, he will, he will. He may lie, he may lie, he may lie. I'm living proof that he'll do what he gotta do to get to you. He'll leave. Oh my God, I'm about to lose my mind on my. I'm living proof that he'll do what he gotta do to get to you. He'll leave. I'm about to lose my mind up on this stage. I said I'm living proof that he'll do what he gotta do to get to you. It's not girl math, it's God math. So glad you. It's not girl math, it's God math. So glad you. I'm sorry, I'm just